All right. Well, I'm ready whenever you are. Actually, can you give me a check 1, 2? Check 1, 2?
Check, check. Check, check, check. Checkity check.
'Today was gonna be the day, but they'll never throw it back to you. By now you should have somehow realized what you got to do. And I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. Backbeat, the word is on the street that the fire in your heart went out. I know you heard it all before, but you never really had a doubt. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. All the roads that led the way were winding. All the lights that lit the way were blinding. There are many things that I would like to say to you, but I don't know how. So maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me. And after all, you're my wonderwall. Beautiful! Ladies and gentlemen, on the guitar, Michael Lyons. Yay! And on vocals, the lovely and the talented Natasha. Hey! Hey everybody! Welcome back to the show. Today's Ojibwe word, Beka. Wait. Just wait a second. We're going to do another song here. Grab your harmonica. Yeah, there you go. How's it going, G? And welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I'm happy to be here with you today to speak Ojibwe and learn about the language and culture. Na, 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 na. Oh, wow! That's what I'm talking about. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons. The one and the only. All right, I think we're good to go. And, yeah, whenever you're ready. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back. Floating down through the clouds, memories come rushing up to me now. But in the space between the heavens and the corner of some foreign field, Goodbye, Max. Goodbye, Mom. After the service, when you're walking slowly to the car, and the silver in her hair shines in the cold November air, you hear the tolling bell and touch the silk in her lapel. And as the teardrops rise to meet the comfort of the band, you take her frail hand and hold on to the dream. Place to stay, enough to eat, somewhere old heroes shuffle safely down the street, where you can speak out loud about your doubts and fears. And what's more, no one ever disappears. You never hear their standard issue kicking in your door. You can relax on both sides of the tracks, and maniacs don't blow holes in bandsmen by remote control. And everyone has recourse to the law, and no one kills the children anymore. No one kills the children anymore. Night after night, going round and around my brain, this dream is driving me insane. In the corner of a foreign field, a gunner sleeps tonight. What's done is done. We cannot just write off this final scene. Take heed of the dream. Oh, wow. That was some beautiful guitar playing there, Niji. Hey, thanks a lot. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons. Mama, take this badge from me. I can't use it anymore. It's getting dark, too dark to see. It feels like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Yeah, knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Mama put my guns in the ground. I can't shoot them anymore. That long dark cloud is coming down. It feels like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Yeah, knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Yeah, knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Yeah, knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Yeah, knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knocking on heaven's door. Yeah, knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons, let's hear it. Thank you for watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about OJIBWE language and culture. I am Natasha, this is Michael Lyons, and I will see you again. Giga-wabba-min. Minawa. Hoa. All right. Hey, everybody. If you'd like to support the show, don't be shy. We accept tips. Click the link to PayPal, and you can support the show, or sign up on Patreon and get one of them books. Hey guys, how you doing?
Bye.